Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to walk you through the process of drawing an axis plan using the YQArch plugin in AutoCAD. It's quick, easy and will seriously speed up your workflow. So let's get started. There are two ways we can do this. One is by using the menu bar and the other is by using a shortcut. Here it tells us that the shortcut for draw grid axis is ZXW. So we are going to use the shortcut method. In the first part, the distance between the columns is 150 and the number of columns is 6. We can change this based on our own axis plan. We can use this second method when the distance between the columns are different. For example, 500 Now we want to draw the columns. In this part, you can see that the shortcut for arrange column is ZZBZ. S stands for size. Let's let us change the column size. It's 20 by 20. And F means fill in columns. In other words, whether the column should be filled or not. Now it's hatched. Now we want to draw the footings using the same shortcut. We will set the size to 40 by 40 and we will choose not to fill them. Now we want to draw the walls between the columns. Here it tells us the shortcut for that is XWW. And here we have to choose the wall thickness. For example, 10. And then we have to select the walls. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.